Hey guys, in the previous lesson, I explained to you which types of accounts are best suited for automated trading. In this lesson, I will explain where to get such types of accounts. Let's start with the broker IC Markets. This is my favorite broker. It is an Australian broker regulated by the Australian National Bank, the central bank. And it also has many regulations in different countries around the world. Therefore, it will be genuinely safe and convenient for you to trade here. A bunch of different ways to deposit and withdraw funds. A reliable broker. I have already withdrawn from here. Well, several $100,000 that I earned as profit. Therefore, I can guarantee that this broker will never deceive you. So with this broker, the main requirement we need for automatic trading is a super narrow spread. This is from 0 pips. Although the leverage, if you are in Europe, will be only 1 to 30. I am in Europe, so I have this small leverage. If you want, this will be insufficient for trading using averaging and martingale. For scalping and other types of trading with stop-loss usage, you will only need leverage. If you need more leverage, go to the IC Trading website. This is a subsidiary of IC Markets. And here, all the trading conditions are the same, but the leverage is like this. Thus, we have two brokers, one main, sort of the parent, and the other a subsidiary. And they simply serve different regions of the globe. This is IC Trading. It is more intended for Asian countries, although IC Markets also serves Asian countries. In general, if you need leverage of 1/500, go to IC Trading. As for the next steps, yes. By the way, if it concerns cent accounts, you can get a cent account with the broker L-Trade. This broker is at center on its website, the main page, and here we can look at the types of accounts. And for beginners, as I mentioned, the micro account is the most suitable, and the micro is a wonderful account. You see MT5, MT4. The platforms are available here. Various assets. Floating spread, unfortunately, starting from a point, but we have leverage from 1 to 1,000. And as I mentioned, with a cent account, you deposit into the account 100 and it will display 10,000 account units. And this is for a trading bot, which requires high leverage and sufficient capital for averaging and execution. A martingale tactic will be more than enough, meaning just $100. And you can earn by running any martingale bot, which is also very important and great because martingale is averaging. In principle, these are some of the most profitable systems, although also the most dangerous. But to overcome the danger, we use a micro account. So now you have the opportunity to open an account with one of 3 brokers. For low trading, here in trading, I advise opening a micro account. If you need high leverage and a super tight spread, go to the EC Trading site. If you don't need high leverage, but you need a tight spread, just a tight spread, then go to the IC Market site. So what do? Next we go, let's say we go to the IC Trading site. Inside this broker, we open accounts, trading accounts, and we need to open, let's say, a new MetaTrader 5 account. And so we open a demo account. To start a new demo account, we have a button, we open it, and we see that we have a new demo account there. We chose the platform we need. I recommend taking MT5. Here we choose either a standard account or with a narrow spread market, of course, with a narrow spread. As I said, it doesn't matter what you will be doing, what type of trading and trading style, trading tactics. Many trades, for one trade, the spread should always be narrow. The commission is not a critical issue. The critical issue is when a large spread hinders your trading. That's bad. When the spread is narrow and there's a commission, that's not bad. So the currency will, for trading, we can take basically any, but I recommend taking USD. Leverage, as I mentioned, take more. 1 to 500 will be just right. Excellent. We take any starting deposit because this is a demo. Well, in general, well, take 25,000. Click open, and an email with access details for this trading account has been sent to our email. And here this trading account has also appeared in your, right here in the demo accounts. I use this broker more for testing. I have many demo accounts. Overall, I am registered with many brokers because I am an active trader and also a software developer. I constantly test new software on different platforms and different types of accounts. That's why I already have some accounts here. As for our account that we opened, the access data was sent to the email. I will open the mail and see what this data is. As for what to do next is to download the trading platform to your computer. We opened an MT5 account, so we take MetaTrader 5. Download it. The platform has been downloaded. We just click on the file. This is the executable file exe, and we click next. And the platform has opened, or rather, it will open now, just a moment, for the installation to complete. So, the installation is complete. We click finish. The MQL site opens and the platform opens. I already had the platform installed. As I mentioned, I use many brokers to test the IC trading platform, among others. What do you need to do next? That is, the platform will open with several quote windows. And you need to log in to the broker's server. For this, we go here in the top menu, select this item, and select the tab. There is also a navigator here where it says accounts. Right-click and select login. Here, raid account. Because we already have this account open, we go to the email and look for the access details for the demo account. Here are these details. So we have the login and we can log in considering these details. On the platform we have 152. Yes, we see. The account ends with 152. We go back to the OC Trading website where we have 152. Here it is. We can view the passport directly on the account. Inside the broker's site, some brokers send the passport along with the mail. Some show you on their site. So we take for this login, for this account number, we take this passport, return to the platform, paste it here. This passport and return. Let's see what kind of account this is. And this is OSI trading demo. Let's see what we have here. Here is IC trading demo. Click OK. And the platform will log in now. Incoming mail. You have registered a new account. Let's look at these 25,000 demo. Let's check the history. What is written here? Demo balance deposit. Okay. Here with the help of next, In the next lesson, I will show how to install the software inside the platform. Thus, today, I showed you how to download the platform to the computer, install it, and log in. The algorithm is the same for any broker that has MetaTrader 5. So you won't make a mistake. See you in the next lesson. Bye.